So my mate Johnny Goddard has been hard at work these last couple of weeks to put together the awesome sound installation setup behind me, the Revox Quartet. It's four Revox reel-to-reel tape recorders with four different length tape loops that are going up and across and all across the wall and stuff. We've invited a load of musicians to come and use it and record it. Had an amazing saxophone player yesterday. We have some amazing people who make field recordings and all sorts of stuff. So a vast array of different musical talents and genres and stuff that are going to be using this. And kindly, Johnny's invited me to make my own tape loops on it. And I thought I'd bring my guitar because nobody else I don't think is going to be using a guitar. I expect there'll be some synthesizers and stuff, but no guitars, and it should be really interesting because of course the different length tape loops are going to go out of sync with each other, so there's an element of uncontrollability, which is always a good thing, right? So I don't really know what I'm going to do, but we're going to figure it out as we go along. So there we go. I've made my loop, and yeah, it's sounding pretty interesting. We're just gonna keep letting it go, and then find the interesting little snippets that happen. I layered up some kind of like chords and stuff, and then with the violin bow, made some other strange, creepy noises and some feedback with the amp. I think it gives it a nice, flowy atmosphere. I'll put a little section now of the finished recording, and you can download a version on Patreon. You can find the links for that below. Alright, I'll see you in another video.